All right, I'm filming.
I wish I had a string on it, jerking backwards.
I didn't see no. I didn't
see nothing move.
I didn't see nothing move.
Come on, John Wayne.
Didn't see nothing move either.
He needs to be on a horse.
Right. I'm filming the target now. Will this thing zoom?
No, I don't think so.
Oh,
finally. Hopefully that shows up in the video. That's a big one though. I don't know if we can count that.
Yeah, kind of cheap.
I may have to shoot Jordan's gun too, just see if I can do any better. And you even out in front of the table about 2 yards too.
That's pretty sad percentage, isn't it?
Yeah. Must be a dud gun.
You hit the middle.
Must be a dud gun, you reckon?